Hi guys, today we are going to see a database called MongoDB. So, what is MongoDB? So, MongoDB is a NoSQL database in which you store data in a JSON format. So, to get started with it, you have to let's first see if MongoDB is there or not. If you're on Linux, MongoDB may come pre-installed. So, as you can see, there is MongoDB shell version. If this shows you, we can continue further because MongoDB is there. So if this doesn't show, just type in this command sudo apt install MongoDB. So this will install the MongoDB. Okay. So first of all, let's increase the version. Yes. So now we are going to take a look at what is MongoD. So MongoD basically is the main thing where let's show you. So to see if the MongoD is running or not, type in this command. As you can see, if you see this green dot over here, that means that your server is running. Service is running by MongoD. If and if you want to stop the server for some reason, just type in this command sudo service mongodb stop, and now you see here, you can see that the green dot is doesn't there. That means the service is being stopped over here. So if we try to connect to this server, we will get this error. So let's start the service over here by writing restart, and now let's check the analytics. As you can see the green dot, which means the service has been running. So this is how we open the service. So it is open by default when you install MongoDB, but if it is not there, you can just type in this command sudo simple dot start, and then the service will start here. So now to connect to it, first of all you have to make a directory over here. So let's open another terminal, and here what we'll do, where we are, so we are over here, and first of all we have to back it up, and we are in the mount directory now. So here you can see a directory called data. So it is not default over there, I've created this manually. So if you go to this directory, you can see there is another directory over here which is db. So you have to create data and db over here, and if we go to this directory, you can see our MongoD data has been stored here. Okay, so make sure to make this directory over here. So now after that, let's start the Mongo shell, and the Mongo shell start over here. So now to see the databases over here, just type show databases. As you can see, the four databases over here: admin, config, local. This is the one I created. So let's create another one. So to create that, just type use and any database like mm, let's type Linux, anything Linux. So now we are in this database, and now if you do show dbs, you can see that there's no Linux added there. Why? Because we haven't done it. And if you do show collections, it is not there as well. So first of all we have to insert some data over here. So to do that, we have to just type in db, like where the linux dot data, linux dot storage, let's type in. So this linux just type dp dot storage, db.storage. So now linux.storage has been created, and if you show collections over here, it is not showing because we have to first insert a document. So db.storage, we have to dot insert. So now we have inserted this here, as you can see, and inserted one. So now if you show dbs over here, as you can see, linux is here. So you have to first pass a document over here so that you can see here. So as you saw, I create so to insert data over here, you can write like database in this JSON format. So data, write true over here. So if we enter, it has been if you write db dot storage dot find, you can see all your data over here. So this is first thing I wrote, which was nothing, and MongoDB gave a unique ID, and this was the second thing which I added to the this was the second object. So this is how we entered a single object over here. What if you want multiple objects to be there? So to do that, here you can see in this insert, first you have to create an array. Okay, array is basically a data structure in which you store data. So first you have to create this array in this brackets, and then you can insert multiple objects over here. So if you name, and I write mongo, and then I created another object, let's write comma state, and I write running, and now we create another JSON part over here, state running, and like any data you want to store, like name, Firebase, and wait a second, what happened? It vanished for some reason. Insert, whatever, let's write it again. So name and store mongo db, and then create another object in this array, and where here we status, and here we're going to write true, and when we enter and find, let's see if the data is there. So as you can see, I've written two objects in one single command over here, because here name status true. So it was not in array, I'm sorry. So you have to put this in array format so that multiple objects are there. Then you type in there C, and then find. As you can see, this was the first one added here, name, mongodb name, and the status. So it is not necessary that you write the data in the same row or column, because we have to do that in SQL. So this is why MongoDB shines over here, because you can write data in any format over here. It gives it a unique ID, and you can write it in any format. So yeah, this was the video about MongoDB. I hope this video was helpful. If you find this video helpful, please do like this video and subscribe my channel. Bye.